Tell me, friend, how far are you truly willing to go just to seal the deal? I'm a simple man myself. I see something I want. I get it. Always.
You're not ready. Not yet. But we don't have a choice. Do you understand what you're getting into? Everything is on the line.
All I want is control. Control over the greatest resource known to man. Control over the greatest power in our galaxy. Control over the power of the sun. And you're gonna help me harness that power. One way or another. Or do you really think you could stop me?
Actually, I'm here to save you. Lots of money with a brand new BondBox.
What?
It's our all-new automatic bonding junction box. Simply click it into the rail and bolt it down. Thanks to its thick aluminum bracket, the BondBox secures to the rail with a solid connection that won't fail.
Siri, remind me to get stronger, henchman.
With the integrated ground lug, the BondBox automatically bonds to the array. No need for copper wire.
Siri, remind me to cancel plans to dominate worldwide supply of copper.
Indicator holes on the side of the box make for easy sizing of conduit holes. And the no-slip feet prevent the box from sliding off of steep roofs.
Perfect. That's not coming back down, is it? Pegasus really has thought of everything, haven't they?
Believe me, you haven't seen the half of it.
Siri, remind me to place an order with Pegasus and maybe stop world domination. Maybe. Wait! Who are you, really?
The name's Jim. Jim from sales. Here's my card.
No matter what happens, always remember, Pegasus will help you have a better day on the job.